In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your WordPress website using HostGator cPanel. Backing up your website is an essential practice, helping you safeguard all your hard work from content to design against any unforeseen issues. So let's dive right into it. First, you need to log into your HostGator cPanel account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This control panel is a powerful tool that allows you to manage your hosting account seamlessly. Now, locate and open the File Manager. It's typically found in the Files section. File Manager is an invaluable resource for managing the files on your server, and it's here that we'll start creating a backup of your WordPress site. Once you're in the File Manager, you'll need to navigate to the folder where WordPress is installed. For most users, this will be in the public_HTML directory. This is essentially the home base for your website files, and it's where WordPress and often your other site files reside. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout here, as it's crucial to ensure you're in the right location. Now comes the important step. You'll want to select all WordPress files and folders. This includes WP admin, WP content, WP includes, and a host of other essential files you just can't afford to lose. To select everything, you can usually click on the Select All button at the top or manually drag your mouse across the files. With everything selected, look for the Compress option on the toolbar or in the right-click menu. Compressing these files will archive them into a neat single zip file. This zip file is what you'll download and store safely on your computer. In the compression dialog box, you might find options for different archive formats like zip, tar, or zip. Go ahead and choose zip if it's not already selected. It's well supported and commonly used, which is ideal for our purpose. After compression, the newly created zip file will appear in the same directory. Select it and then click the Download button, usually located at the top or available by right-clicking. Save the zip file to a secure location on your computer. This file is your WordPress site backup, containing all your site files, ready to be restored whenever necessary. Now, as an optional extra precaution, you might choose to export your WordPress database using phpMyAdmin, especially if your website is highly data-driven. Your database contains your content, settings, and metadata. To do this, locate phpMyAdmin in the cPanel. Once in phpMyAdmin, select your WordPress database and hit the Export tab. Use the quick method to download your database as a SQL file. And there you have it. You've successfully